Hey guys, and welcome to this new cool video. As you probably saw in the title already, we got a new product for you. Let's directly go ahead and check it out. And there we have it. This is our new upgraded Jowua Phone Mount, now with active cooling. Let's go to the car and check it out and see what makes this charger even better than the ones before. And here we have it. As you can see, some things are the exact same as you know it and love it already. And some things maybe have changed a little bit. So first you can see the base is still the same. We still have the suction cup design with the sticky silicone. And we still have the 6D mount that allows you to mount the phone in whatever position you like behind the screen. What has changed is the mount itself, the MagSafe mount. Now we have active cooling inside the head that keeps the temperature of the head and of your phone lower, so you can charge at higher speeds and your phone doesn't need to regulate down. Let's look at the details of that inside the car. So here we are in the car. As you can see, the base is still the same and so is our invisible design. The phone mount hides right behind the screen and you can just take it out as you used to. The only thing that changed is the MagSafe mount. With Qi 2 15-watt charging, phones tend to overheat over time, especially when the environment is more hot, you have a lot of direct sunlight onto the phone mount, or the AC is not so cold. Your phone will overheat over time. What your phone will do then is it will regulate down the charging speeds from 15 watts to 10 watts to 5 watts to at some point just stopping to charge. With this active cooling now, you will avoid all of these points. But how does it work? On the one hand, we have an IC active cooling plate, which allows to cool your phone while it's charging. All the heat that the phone kind of creates during the wireless charging process will be absorbed by the plate and keeps your phone cool at any time. On the other hand, we have a super silent fan, which once the mount detects that it's getting hot, starts cooling down the mount itself. Like this, both products don't cause the spiral of the phone heating up and the charging efficiency going down. We can maintain the charging speed of 15 watts throughout the whole journey, and we can ensure that you get the maximum charging efficiency out of your phone mount. Like this, the phone and the mount will be kept cold and you can charge your phone at the 15 watts without ever needing to regulate down. Just like that, we maintain maximum charging efficiency during your whole ride. Of course, to confirm this, we ran a lot of tests. As you might know, the new Qi 2.2 allows your phone to charge at up to 25 watts. However, due to overheating, this is usually not the case for a long-term charging experience. So in our test, it turns out that even with 15 watts available, the active cooling allows to charge your phone 31% faster than 25 watts using Qi 2.2. And of course, it's needless to say that all of this will benefit to the battery health of your phone, as it keeps the temperatures down and like this reduces the stress that your battery is facing on a daily basis. As I already said, the rest kind of stays the same. We still have the invisible design. You can simply hide the mount behind the screen. You can extend it out. You can decide if you want the phone to be mounted on top or at the side of the screen. And we have, of course, the invisible cable design, so the inside of your car keeps looking sleek and clean. If you value the battery life of your phone and you want the highest charging speeds possible, then make sure to get our new phone mount. You can find the mount in the link in the description below, or you directly go to our store. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys next time.